Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to receive crypto on Binance. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and open up Binance right here. And then let's go ahead over to assets. Okay. Since we are going to receive crypto, well, all we got to do is just go ahead and find the button that says add funds or deposit. Okay. So tap on add funds and make sure that you tap on chain deposit, since we are going to receive crypto, okay? And most especially from another crypto wallet. Now, let's say we're going to receive Solana. So I'm just gonna go ahead and find Sol right here. I'm gonna tap on Solana, and then I'm gonna choose the network, just the basic Sol or Solana right here. I'm gonna tap on it, tap on OK, and here we have the deposit address, okay? And the network as well. So just copy it, and then what we're going to do next is just go ahead and open up the other crypto wallet. Let's say Phantom. Okay, I'm going to tap on Phantom right here. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, what you got to do here is just got to tap on Send, of course. Tap on Send, select the same exact network. Okay, what we have selected in here is Sol Solana. Okay, so type it down, Sol, right here, tap on it. Now it says here to, since we have already copied the deposit address to our clipboard, well, you can just go ahead and tap on it and it will be automatically attached right here. So what you're going to do next is just, again, tap on next. All right, so here you have your wallet address. Now just go ahead and type down the amount of Sol that you would like to send to Binance. For example, 1 Sol. Okay, just make sure that you have sufficient Sol right here under your other wallet. And then once that's done, just tap on next to follow simple prompts. And after that, in no time, you'll have your crypto to your Binance account under your wallet, of course. That is it. And that is how you receive crypto on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.